Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the third part of chapter 7 sound in class 8 physics. So in the previous video, that means in the part 1 and part 2, I already discussed about the how sound is traveled, whatever the qualities of the waves, whatever the characteristic of the waves, that means the frequency, amplitude, time period and the wavelength. And in this video I am just going to teach you about the characteristics of the sound. So what is our new topic? The new topic is the characteristics of the sound. Now, so when we are going to discuss about the characteristics of the sound, so we must know about the three characteristics of the sound. That is the pitch, and the next characteristic is the loudness, and the other characteristic is the quality. That means the three characteristics of the sounds are there. So we must know about these all three characteristics. So one by one we will study about these three characteristics. So first I am just going to discuss with you about the pitch. So pitch की बात जब हम करते हैं, so the students are knowing sometimes some voice are pleasant and you are just please speak slowly, your voice, your pitch is so hard. So what is the meaning of pitch? So generally a pitch differentiate between the shrill sound and the dull sound. What the pitch helps? It helps to differentiate between the shrill and dull sound. That means which sound is shrill and which sound is dull. Shrill means कि बहुत तेज तीखी चुभती हुई आवाज़, and dull sound means एकदम धीमी बहुत ही polite सी आवाज़. Okay, so how we can say that the pitch is there and how the high pitch is there and how the slow pitch is there. So generally when we are discussing about that, so a crying baby, अगर कोई baby cry करता है तो उसकी जो pitch होती है बहुत loud होती है, बहुत sharp होती है. Okay, and sound is produced by the vibration, everyone says knowing. So vibrations are fast. If the vibrations are fast, so frequency is fast, and if the frequency is fast, so the pitch is high. That means fast vibrations, it gives the high frequency, and if the high frequency is there, then the pitch of the sound is high. So the high pitch. That means indirectly pitch is depend on the frequency and the vibration. जितना तेज vibration होगा उतनी ही तेज frequency होगी, और जितनी तेज frequency होगी the pitch of the voice is also the same. And in the same way, if the slow vibrations is there, so slow frequency is there, that means the slow frequency is there, and the slow frequency is there, that means the low pitched voice is there. Okay, now the pitch of the sound is depend on the frequency, you can already see. So, and I also told you the frequency of crying baby is higher than that of the normal adult is crying and speaking something. Okay, so pitch and what pitch has help us? Pitch help us to differentiate between the shrill and the dull sound. Okay, so the frequency of sound is depend on the जो frequency of sound है, the frequency of sound is depend on the size, tightness and the mass of the vibrating object. अब frequency किस चीज़ पर depend कर रही है? Frequency, it depends on the size, tension means tightness, then mass of vibrating object, in written short, and this helps in the डिफाइन द फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी किन चीज़ों पर डिपेंड कर रही है, वॉट एवर द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, वॉट एवर द टेंशन एंड टाइटनेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वॉट एवर द मास ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, now let us see the other quality and the other characteristic of the sound is the loudness. So how we can define the loudness? Suppose somewhere a music is going on and it might be possible that music is pleasant to your ear but that same sound is unpleasant to someone your others ईयर. दैट मीन्स किसी के लिए कोई साउंड प्लीजेंट भी हो सकती है और किसी के लिए वो साउंड क्या हो सकती है, बहुत लाउडर हो सकती है, जो उसको चुभ रही है. ठीक है, एंड जो लाउडनेस होती है, जो चुभने वाली बात होती है, इट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द लिसनर. दैट मीन्स इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ द लिसनर. जो सुन रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है कि हमें कोई आवाज़ बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है और कोई आवाज़ हमको बहुत ही चुभ रही है. ठीक है, जैसे सेम थिंग मैंने कहा कि सेम वॉइस इज़ प्लीजेंट टू यू एंड अनप्लीजेंट टू समवन एल्स. ओके, एंड इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द एज फैक्टर ऑल्सो. जैसे जैसे एज होती जाती है, इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट थिंग ऑल्सो. सो लाउडनेस इन टर्न्स डिपेंड ऑन द इंटेंसिटी. कहीं ना कहीं लाउडनेस किस चीज़ पर डिपेंड करती है, इंटेंसिटी पर डिपेंड करती है. ओके, एंड इंटेंसिटी क्या होती है, इट इज़ अ मेजर ऑफ एनर्जी दैट साउंड वेव कैरीज. व्हाट इज इंटेंसिटी, इट इज मेजर ऑफ वेव, it is measure of the energy, sorry, it is measure of the energy that sound waves carries. Okay, that means somewhere it is the intensity, it helps us to distinguish between the loud sound as well as in the dull sound. Okay, and intensity is also depend on the amplitude and the surface area. अब ये कैसे एम्पलीट्यूड और सरफेस एरिया पे डिपेंड करती है, यू मस्ट नो अबाउट दैट. सपोज लार्जर द सरफेस एरिया, अगर किसी चीज़ का सरफेस एरिया लार्जर होगा, बड़ा होगा, तो वाइब्रेशन के लिए ज़्यादा एरिया मिलेगा. अगर कोई इतना छोटा ड्रम है और कोई बहुत बड़ा ड्रम है और उसको जब हम हिट करते हैं तो जितना बड़ा सरफेस एरिया होगा इट वाइब्रेट्स फ्रीक्वेंटली, और जितना ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन होगा उतनी ही तेज साउंड क्या होगी, प्रोड्यूस होगी. दैट मीन्स लार्जर द सरफेस एरिया, larger will be the sound. Okay, and one more thing is there. Suppose if you are sitting near the speaker and the sound system, so the voice is the very loud to you, and if you are far away from the speaker and the other thing, so the voice comes to your ear in the very light. That means also depend on the distance, कि जितना distance होगा that also tells you about the loudness and the simpliness of the sound. Okay, that means greater the amplitude of vibration, greater the loudness. जितनी ज़्यादा amplitude होगी उतना ही ज़्यादा loudness होगा. ठीक है, greater the area of vibrating object, greater will be the loudness. जितना distance होगा, distance also tells you about the loudness. Okay, now let us see about the third quality, that is the quality and timbre. So why this quality and timbre helps you? Suppose you are standing in a very rushy area and someone calls you by your name, and you, by listening that name, you easily identify who is calling you. So how you are just going to identify that person? Because of the quality, because of the timbre of that person. That means every person having the different quality and different sound and different timbre which helps you to recognize that particular person who is calling you and who is taking your name. That means in general you can say timbre is the general term for distinguish the characteristic of the tone. किसी भी tone की characteristic को define करता है ये. सपोज कि अगर सेम टोन के सेम नोट के नोट आप जानते हैं जो म्यूज़िक से जुड़े हुए हैं दे ऑल्सो नोन कि अगर सेम नोट के दो डिफरेंट म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले किए जा रहे हैं, अगर सेम नोट के दो डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले किए जा रहे हैं देन ऑल्सो यू कैन ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई दैट इट इज़ हारमोनियम इज़ प्लेइंग, पियानो इज़ प्लेइंग और एनी अदर म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज़ प्लेइंग. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर instrument, because of the timbre of that particular instrument. And that also tells you about the overtones. Overtones का मतलब क्या होता है? The overtones have the frequency that are multiplies the fundamental frequency. That means again and again जो repeated हो रही है तो उनको multiply करके जो बताती है that is known as the overtones. Okay, and this also helps you to distinguish between the different types of sound. That means these are the three characteristics of the sound, that is the pitch, loudness and the quality. Okay, so this is all about the third part of the chapter sound. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.